What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best budget drones in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to pay the lowest possible price that'll still fetch you a solid product, we say check out the Holy Stone HS100, the best ultra-cheap budget drone on the market in 2022. This model comes in the almost ready-to-fly mode, which means you only have to attach the propellers before flying. This is the standard for many high-quality drones with cameras in order to save space and packaging and protect sensitive equipment from damage during transport. For cost reasons, the Holy Stone HS100 doesn't have any thrust props like the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, meaning you have to put a screw on every designated engine section. But don't fret, the whole thing takes about 1 minute for each propeller, and the direction of rotation of the propeller is also clearly indicated by A and B marks. Even on longer distances, the signal remains strong. You can say that the wind is a challenge, but GPS positioning provides the needed correction. After approximately 10 minutes of use, the battery reaches a critically low level, and a battery warning appears. To charge 2500 mAh LiPo batteries from approximately 10 to 100%, you need about 4 hours via USB connection. With automatic launch, the Holy Stone HS100 works really well. The drone takes off slowly and stays in the air about 3 feet above the ground. Automatic height retention does its job well, thanks to GPS positioning. In official tests, the HS100 photos are not so bad at all. Single images have a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, just like videos. The camera has an extremely wide-angle lens, with a field of view of 120 degrees. The camera itself is attached to a 1-axis cardan shaft and can be moved vertically with the remote control. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're in pursuit of the top bang for the buck, we say check out the DJI Mini SE, the best value budget drone on the market in 2022. This model sports a set of folding arms to achieve maximum compactness. Therefore, it has more or less the same dimensions as the Mini 2 introduced in 2020 and remains below the 250 gram mark. It has a 12 megapixel camera that supports 4000 by 3000 pixel photos with a 24mm lens aperture. On the video side, the Mini SE ignores 4K, just like the Mavic Mini 1, but can record up to 2.7K at 30p or in Full HD at 60p. The drone has a propeller that can be tilted vertically from -90 to 20 degrees and stabilized on 3 axes. Furthermore, the device offers better stabilization and, above all, increased resistance to wind gusts compared to the Mavic Mini. It can withstand impacts of 18 and 22 miles per hour without deviating from its trajectory. In terms of performance, the DJI Mini SE should also be as fast as the Mini, with a top speed of 29 miles per hour. The battery can last up to 30 minutes. Finally, the theoretical maximum range is 1.25 miles. The device communicates with the remote control via Wi-Fi. On the control side, the Mini SE will work with the Mini remote control. Equipped with a 2600 mAh battery, it has detachable joysticks for easy storage and provides the pilot with HD video feedback. The drone sports quick-shots modes that make it easier to improve the subject with automated camera movements. This is how we find the droney, rocket, circle, and spiral modes. The Mini SE should fully satisfy you and allow you to take high-quality photos or videos from the air. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you're looking for a beginner drone, we especially highlight the Ryze Tech Tello, the best budget beginner drone available on the market in 2022. Drones are fun, but mostly not educational. Well, Ryze Tech Tello aims to achieve both by allowing you to control the drone using an app or an optional Bluetooth remote control. Tello is a small drone, measuring only 6 by 6 by 1.3 inches. It weighs just under 3 ounces, so you don't need FAA registration. Most of the weight comes from the battery that slides inside the plastic body of the drone with the rotors around it. Tello can be controlled in 3 ways: via an app, remote control, or through the Scratch programming interface. The Tello app is free for iOS and Android devices. It includes a touchscreen interface to control the drone, as well as view the camera image. We're looking at an easy-to-use program and provides a good level of control for beginners and experienced travelers. Tello is a fast and maneuverable drone with surprising speed for its size. Pro Test measured it at a speed of 20 miles per hour in fast flight mode, and it could stop and turn in about 6 feet. The slowest speed mode limits this to a more manageable 8 miles per hour. Taking off is easy. Just place the drone on a flat surface, press the takeoff button, and slide your finger over the confirmation on the screen. The drone then turns on the engines, takes off, and hovers about 5 feet above the ground. In the app, you can activate various fun flight modes: 8D turn, up and go, 360, lap and bounce mode. HD flips is an acrobatic mode, where you move the controller on the screen and the drone rotates in one of 8 directions. The 360 mode captures video as the drone slowly rotates in place, while circle captures a short video as the drone rotates around the target, keeping the camera pointed at it. There's no GPS on this drone, so you can't program a course and set the drone to follow you through the smartphone app. Tello records 720p video at 1280 by 720 resolution and 5 megapixel photos at 2592 by 1936px. Both are clean and sharp, with a good level of detail and bright natural colors. The 1100 mAh battery that powers the Tello provided between 3 and 5 minutes of flight, which is not much, but for beginners, quite enough. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. The next product we'll talk about is the well-known DJI Mavic Mini, which in our opinion is the best budget drone for enthusiasts available on the market in 2022. With only half a pound of weight, the drone weighs less than the minimum requirement of 0.55 pounds for certain drone laws around the world. Aside from all the legal stuff, the Mavic Mini is a drone that can easily be packed with you on the go. It runs fast and can set up a solid 2.7K video camera with a 12 megapixel sensor. With a full charge, you can reach up to 30 minutes of flight. It's one of the best these days. The remote control is quite simple, but the new DJI Fly app for your phone adds the most important information about flight navigation for your operations. The battery hub is used to charge the batteries, but when charged, the hub can convert the energy stored in those cells into a USB power supply for your smartphone or other accessory. We prefer to keep that juice to fly, but the versatility is fantastic. The DJI Mavic Mini is equipped with a decent set of components, including 12 megapixel camera, a stabilized 3-axis gimbal, and an antenna for connecting up to 2.5 miles with a remote control. The batteries are removable for quick change and return to the air. The drone records 2.7K video at up to 30 frames per second, or drops at 1080p at a maximum of 60 frames per second. You need to insert a micro SD card to save your photos and videos. The remote control connects to Android or iOS. Choose the cable you need for your micro USB or USB Type-C phone, then install the DJI Fly app to get started. The Mavic Mini produces photos and videos equal to the best smartphone cameras on the market right now. Note that the Mavic Mini limits its video to 2.7K recording to use extra pixels to stabilize the image, but the results are great. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we have reached the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall budget drone available on the market in 2022, and the winner is DJI Mini 2. This model has retained the compact and lightweight form of the Mavic Mini, weighing just 8.78 ounces. This allows the Mini 2 to continue to circumvent Federal Aviation Administration regulations that require drones weighing 8.8 ounces, grams or more to be registered. But while the Mini 2 may look very similar to the previous Mavic Mini, a lot is happening under the hood, making it an even more attractive option, including new 4K shooting capabilities and the adoption of OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology. With OcuSync 2.0, the maximum transmission range of the Mini 2 has been increased to 6.2 miles, an increase of 150% compared to the Mavic Mini. Battery life has also been slightly improved and now reaches 31 minutes instead of 30 minutes thanks to improved engines. These new, more powerful and efficient engines are also responsible for enabling the Mini 2 to withstand crosswinds of up to 24 miles per hour. Another great addition to the Mini 2 is that support for 4K 30fps videos at 100 megabytes per second has finally arrived. DJI also promotes 4x zoom at 1080p, 3x zoom at 2.7K, and 2x zoom at 4K. In addition to saving photos in the required JPEG format, RAW is now supported. The lightweight design made the Mini 2 easy to pick up and take with you on the go. As for the videos and photo quality, there is nothing to complain about for this price. The picture quality is roughly what you would expect from the included CMOS sensor, but DJI now gives you the ability to record JPEG plus RAW, which is a big plus. The camera is stabilized by an excellent 3-axis carbon shaft, which was generally smooth in operation. Overall, this device delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.